First up, what's latest from the policy space now that the target of housing for all by the year 2022 has been set by the government. The Housing Ministry is actively looking to revamp the UPA regime's Rajiv Rin Yojana. This loan scheme for the EWS and LIG categories is not just expected to undergo a name change, but the scheme is being recast to target the needy to help them access credit for a roof over their heads. Onitam Ojha brings us the latest from the corridors of policymaking.
The government will soon announce a housing loan scheme. This is a subsidized scheme for the EWS and LIG categories. Now, this scheme has been revised and is based on the learnings of the Rajiv Rin Yojana. The Rajiv Rin Yojana was launched by the UPA government last year, but the scheme failed miserably. Now, from the learnings of the Rajiv Rin Yojana, the present government has tweaked the provisions of the new scheme, and the new scheme is likely to be called the Home Owners Mortgage Equity Subvention Scheme, or HOMES for short. The basic provisions of this new scheme will be something like this. The interest subsidy is likely to be increased from 5% to 5.5%. The loan amount for EWS category is likely to be doubled to 10 lakh rupees from the existing limit of 5 lakh rupees. The loan amount for the LIG category is likely to go up to 15 lakh rupees from the existing level of 8 lakh rupees. Now, the government is also planning to pay upfront the subsidy amount to the banks which will be handling this particular scheme, so that eventually the EMI is actually lowered. So all in all, some positive steps being taken by the government to push its housing for all agenda, which is really top of the agenda as far as this government is concerned. Back to you.
Okay, Onitam telling us how the Rajiv Rin Yojana is going to take on a new shape, a new color, specifically going to target widows and transgenders along with EWS and LIG categories. That's a new addition, and in terms of bringing them easy access to credit. So Rajiv Rin Yojana also taking on a new name, as Onitam just told us.